Today I'll be showing you how I make my Matcha Hawaiian Butter Mochi inspired by contemplating sweets. Here's what you'll need. You'll also need one 9 by 13 inch pan greased and lined with parchment paper and some tin foil to cover the pan. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Next, in a large bowl, combine 2 cups of sugar and half a cup of unsalted melted butter. Make sure to scrape down the sides. Next, we're going to add 4 eggs, one at a time until each one is combined, while scraping down the sides. After the eggs are combined, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then, on low speed, begin to add the mochiko glutinous rice flour. It will start to look like a dough, which is okay. It will smooth out once we add in the milks. Next, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Once that's combined, I sifted in 3 tablespoons of matcha powder to get rid of any lumps. While on low speed, add 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. Next, we'll add 1 14-ounce can of coconut milk. Make sure you shake the coconut milk before you open the can. I forgot to do this here. If you are using a stand mixer, you will need to make sure the batter at the bottom is incorporated. You want to make sure the batter is completely smooth. Pour your batter into your 9 by 13 pan. You will need to cover your pan with tinfoil and poke some holes. This will prevent the top from browning. Make sure you wrap the tinfoil tightly, as the butter mochi will rise. You'll need to bake the butter mochi with the tinfoil on for at least 45 minutes and then with the tinfoil off for 15 minutes. The total bake time will be 1 hour. Once your butter mochi has completely cooled, you can use a butter knife to release the edges. After you've released the edges, you should be able to pull out the butter mochi easily. Now you can cut the butter mochi into squares. Here I cut them into 24 squares, but I think it would be better if you cut them into smaller pieces. And there you have it, Matcha Butter Mochi.